Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is 2022, July 20th. How to live trade Forex today in our Forex trading plan here, right? So in this session, I'm going to analyze out what are the potential currency pairs that I'm going to focus in this for today, and I'm going to sell them, right? So yeah, stay tuned. Right, so remember to smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can trade together in the UK hour, alright, live. Okay, so yeah, I will be going live streaming in the US hour later on, alright. So yes, once again, over here, can I have my MT4 please? Right, so right here. Okay, so at this point here, quickly, okay, let's take a look. Hi CK, 你好. Hi Hubert, 你好. Hubert, 你好. Because you write 你好, then I just say 你好. Okay, so yes, and coming along, yep, and now, right? So what we are actually going to check out what are the potential currency pairs to trade. Okay, all right. So yes, once again, I hope the sound is good. Okay, so yep. Alright, okay. Okay, so let's see. Now, Aussie Cat over here. Aussie Cat. Yes, Aussie Cat, tentatively, I won't be looking for selling. Alright, so right now, I'm looking for a bull. The bull is running. So tentatively, I won't be selling for Aussie Cat at the moment. Alright, so let's wait for a good chance. If there's a good chance that for it to actually come back to sell, then I will be coming back to sell. So now, right now, it's not the right time yet. Okay, so for Aussie franc, let's take a look at Aussie franc over here. Yes, Aussie franc tentatively, same thing, is actually moving towards this bull. Alright, so currently I won't be selling unless it actually comes back within the resistance area. Then I will consider selling. Alright, so currently it's still in the bull. Then let's see the situation. Perhaps need a few days, but people who are buyers, okay, Aussie franc will be good to buy. Alright, okay, Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. So Aussie yen in all, okay, we can see that Aussie yen tentatively is on back to the bull. So no selling. Alright, so currently for Aussie yen, I'm going to give it a miss. Alright, Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. So Aussie Kiwi over here, right now we are still in the bull. So the bull is actually having a pullback, a retracement here. So tentatively this retracement, as we can see, seems like there's a chance for us to sell today, right? But however, we are still in the bull. We are still hovering around the area here. But then again, is that the pullback here, we have about 60 pips to go. This is a retracement trading. So currently, I will say that tentatively, if we are going to sell, all right, we have to be very careful. Okay, all right. Yep. Okay, so for Aussie dollar, yes, as we can see right now, we are in the bull. So no for selling. We are only heading for a buy. So currently, no selling for Aussie dollar. So tentatively, except for Aussie Kiwi, we can have a pullback trading, and if not, then we'll skip all the Aussie for selling. All right. So how about Euro Aussie? Right now we are back here. Okay, we are coming back here into the selling. So tentatively, it's still good to sell for Euro Aussie. Alright, Euro Aussie we can pay attention to. So if I'm going to sell, tentatively I need to break the support here. We are right on the support now. So this is not a great one. Okay, so if we are going to sell, okay, so make sure that we do have breaking of the support. Okay, after breaking the support, then we will sell it. Okay, over down here. All right, so currently not at the moment. All right, so tentatively have to wait for the breaking of the support first. After breaking of the support, we have about wow, quite a big one. Okay, so it's a good space to go. So tentatively, let's wait. Okay, let me check again. 1 here, 2 here. Okay, so about 95 will be the nearest support. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Okay, we can pay attention to it. All right, Euro Aussie. Okay. Right, Euro Aussie, I'm going to put this into my selling list. After it breaks a support over here, then with a new resistance below, then I will consider a selling. Okay, all right. Okay, now, yeah, EUROCAD. EUROCAD today, we are in the bear, but the bear has actually now escalating up as a bull. So actively buying is still highly possible. Right, so currently EUROCAD, I will not put this into my consideration for selling. Buying is possible, that you can take a look. Okay, all right. So yeah, as for Euro Yen, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen at the moment, all right, Euro Yen, we are still going on the buy side. So let's wait for it to test on the resistance up here, the bear zone here. So after the bear zone, then after that we can consider a selling. All right. So right now, if it's for this, I will say that tentatively no. Okay. I will not. I won't suggest selling. Okay, because buying is still highly possible. But then there's a pullback over at this moment. They're likely to have a pullback. Okay, so I will not sell against the trend. Okay, that's my principle here. Okay, so at this end here, Euro Yen is not really fantastic yet. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, so over at this point here, we can see that with this here, okay, with this resistance over at this point here, okay, we can see that we still have a very big space for the resistance to sell. About before you start selling, I think it will need to move about 100 pips up there to retest test on this resistance before we actually continue selling. So currently, yep, I won't be looking out for a selling right now. I'll still be looking out for buying. Okay, all right. So Euro, yeah, I'm going to skip this. All right, Euro Kiwi looks like in the bear is coming back to the selling. So currently, okay, we are on the support. So Euro Kiwi, okay, we can take a look, because as of now, Euro Kiwi is actually swinging down on the support. We can look out for a buy after, if it's not breaking the support, then after it swing back, then there will be a good chance for the selling, buying. Okay, so buyers can take note. All right, so we have very good space to buy. So currently, you can look out for buying. Okay. All right, Euro Dollar. How about Euro Dollar? Euro Dollar over at this point here, Euro Dollar. I think Euro Dollar is quite good over at this point here, because Euro Dollar, it is very obvious that we are actually going for a buy. Okay, we are looking for a buy. So no, I'm going to skip this as well, because since it's so the buying strength is so strong. Okay, so that I won't be looking out for selling. Okay, all right. So at this point here, let's move again to the pound. Let's take a look at the pound Aussie. Right, pound Aussie. Okay, so talking about pound. All right. So yesterday we have a talk here that actually we may be looking out for some inflation rate that they are trying to adjust to 2%, so that it will still keep the economy growing very healthily. So at this point here, okay, as we can see, pound may also, because of this, may grow stronger. All right. Okay, so at this point here, then I will be looking at a pound Aussie. Tentatively, pound Aussie is actually looking out for a retesting. Okay, so currently we are pretty near, but then again is that over at this point, pound Aussie, we still have about 60 pips to go. All right, where the resistance has actually reached to a point. Okay, over here where the market opens this morning. So right now, pound Aussie, I will put this into my please for selling. Okay, all right. So tentatively, we can pay attention to pound Aussie for selling. All right. So after this breaking of this support level here, retest again, then we will be able to sell. Although I think it's going to be quite a long wait. Okay, but the potential of selling is still very high. Okay. Okay. So let's move pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. So currently, as I can see, pound CAD, we are on the support. Okay, so right now we are on the support over here. So as you can see, we have been testing the support, which can show that the support is actually pretty strong. Okay, so if I want to sell, I have to wait for it to break the support level. Okay, after breaking the support level, I may consider to sell. Okay, but tentatively it is still on the support, so I have to wait for it a while. All right, it may happen on the second half of the day. All right, so you can pay attention to pound CAD on the second half of the day. Okay, right, pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Well, pound franc over at this point here, pound franc is midway. Well, it's hitting on the support from the bear, hitting on the support here. Then now it's stopped here. Seems like it's actually building a higher support, a higher low, correct? Sign off, buying, so selling not yet. Okay, all right, so pound yen, let's take a look at pound yen. All right, pound yen over at this point here, pound yen, we are into our bear zone here, right? So into our bear zone at this point here. This zone is actually a zone that where it has a lot of turbulence. It may go either way. However, okay, right now, okay, by looking at this, there may be a chance of selling. All right, a chance of selling, but then again is that we are now on the higher support level. So at this point here, okay, then this is better because it may come to sell for the next few days. We have to wait. Okay, so just keep a lookout for pound yen. All right, the chances of making for this pound yen to slow, okay, there may be a chance. All right, for maybe it's near, but it's not now yet. Okay, if we are going to sell now, all right, we got to be very careful because of the turbulence in this area. We have only about 20 pips. So I would prefer to wait for this to come back here. After the 20 pips, then I will start selling. Okay, then I will start selling from there. All right. Okay, so let me move on and take out all these. Okay, all this is okay. Right. So let me place this back. Okay, I place this back here is because yesterday some of you have actually entered a trade for pound yen and waiting for pound yen to reach this level. Am I right? Okay, but this is okay, this is one of the supports that we have to be careful. Okay, this is taking just like a guide here. All right. Okay, so let's move again. Pound kiwi. Okay, let's take a look at pound kiwi. Well, pound kiwi looks like it's coming back for selling, right? But then again, is that if we can see for the pound kiwi general. Okay, the whole support is here, right? So we are very near to the support level. So in this case, for this pound kiwi, if we are going to sell and it's actually having a ranging after it breaks into the bull area, right, into the bull area, and this may hit on the support and continue to go back. So I would prefer to stay away. Okay, so next to go, pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar over at this point here, pound dollar today having a retracement. So we are having a bull run for the past 4 days. It's actually quite strong. And are we going to sell on the pound dollar? Well, pound dollar, it is not very promising to sell. As mentioned for the past few days, even like yesterday, correct? It's actually, the trend is actually on the buy side. It's on the bull side. So all these are pullback, retracement, okay? Then, at this point here, it's going to retest the resistance as a support. So if you're able to break into the support, okay, then probably there may be a good chance, right? Probably there may be a good chance that you can continue the selling. If not, then you will continue the buying, right, until the next level. So earlier on in my Mandarin session, I was saying that you can see with this level, anything above this level here, alright, over at this level here, we are looking out for a buy. So anything below, alright, you may have a chance to start selling. Okay, so this is something that we may take a look. Today we may have some challenge, okay, over on the pound dollar for the support. It will come down and test on the support level here, which are over at this point here. We are just merely about 20 pips away. Alright, 20 pips away from the support, which the previous resistance has become the support. Am I right? Okay, so at this point here, by looking at this, okay, I see that I would prefer to wait. Okay, since it's in the bull, it has no sign of turning down back here yet, like this, okay, like this. So I will prefer to wait for the confirmation before I start selling. That's for pound dollar. Alright. Okay, so dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Yes, yesterday we have good selling. All right, so yesterday I pick up all these dollar CAD, and it actually starts selling down for about 80 pips, 80. Okay, so I know some of you have managed to catch about 30 to 40. Okay, so yeah, this is something that we are looking out for. As of today, it may be challenging. Okay, we cannot just see that okay, it's coming down and I'm going to start selling. Well, we need to check, because right now we are on the support. Is there any resistance that I'm looking out for that can allow me to sell? Okay, that allowed me to sell. So tentatively, by looking at this, right, I will prefer to wait for dollar CAD to break the support level. After it breaking the support level with a new resistance below, then I will start selling. Okay, so dollar CAD tentatively, I think probably we need to wait for a little while. Okay, we just need to wait for a little while so that we will be able to see that there will be a chance to sell. Okay, right, so I'm going to put this into my watch list as well. So that is for dollar CAD. Well, how about dollar yen? Dollar yen tentatively, I would suggest a selling right now. Okay, because to what I see here, selling is not very promising. We are on the support, and the support over here is actually pretty strong. Okay, so currently it's still good to buy, not to sell. All right, yesterday was a selling day, but then again is that today we are hit on the support, so we just need to be very careful. Okay, so dollar yen, this is a spotlight. So dollar yen, many people are actually talking about this, whereby this is already on the peak. We already continued the selling over at this point here. All right, tentatively the selling is still ongoing. However, take note about the support level. Well, this support level I plotted out yesterday. Okay, as in we can see that now having a support over around this area. Okay, so we can see. And now the price is actually coming back to retest the support. Well, retesting the support, let's see, we are about 30 pips away. So will it be a good chance for us to actually sell the dollar yen to scout for some profits within the 30 pips? Well, I think probably, but we need to pay attention to whether it will start to build a higher support. Okay, that will actually continue the buying. So for dollar yen, I'm going to observe first. Okay, currently I will not put this into my list. Okay, yes. Okay, well, next to go. Okay, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin over at this point we have achieved 23. I think this is something good. All right, 23. So my targeted price of 16, 17, I think it is still quite far away. Well, it is still not there yet. But currently, over at this 23, it seems like buying is also very strong. So that we are looking out for a buy. For Bitcoin, I'll be looking out for buy rather than currency. I'll be looking out for selling. So at the moment, we are actually looking out for things like this. Okay, that I will stay put. Okay, I will stay put. So this is the level that it will actually come back to retest for a selling. So for buyers, please stay away. Okay, please be careful. Sellers, no, definitely. Okay, so for buyers only, you have to pay attention to how it moves before you take action. All right. Okay, so yes, so I would say that currently, as we can see, what we are moving towards this today. Okay, let's show that what do we have. Okay, over at this point here. Okay, let me flash out what are we going to do today. Okay, we're going to focus. Okay, well done. All right, so we are going to focus on Euro Aussie. Okay. Okay, we have we only have this. We only have this few. Okay. All right, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Dollar CAD. All right, we only have these three. So at the moment, all right, okay, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Dollar CAD. These are all my focus. Okay, so the rest may come later to surface a better direction for us. Then we will be able to sell. If not, then I think likely we are going to have a long wait for today. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, I think that's all for me. Okay, so yes, and I shall see you later on in the UK hour for the live streaming. Yes, for people who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe, and we can come in to my channel in the UK hour to have a live trading together. All right. Okay, so yes, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring out the bell, and finally smash the like button. Okay, right. Okay, so I shall see you later on, guys. I shall wish you good luck in your trading and bountiful of profits. Thank you, guys. See you.